What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the random for the Rangers for Group Break 195, Series 1 case. We're going to go down here and go live. We're live at 4:37. It's 4:37 here in Denver. I got all the names and teams. Just copy and pasted the list. Guys, we're going 3 times. Top 6 are each going to win. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Robert on top after 2. That was in at 4:38. It's 4:38. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Jace, Eric, Rob, Grant, Rob, and Mike. Rob, you're doubling up, sir. Congrats. Copy here. Paste here. 4:38. 4:38. I will go and copy and paste the top 6. Oops. And there you have it. You guys will get those boxes in order. Congrats.